The Urtopia Carbon Classic ST stands out as a modern electric bike that combines sleek design, lightweight construction, and strong performance to set a new benchmark in its category. Built with a carbon fiber frame, the bike weighs only 38 pounds, making it exceptionally easy to handle, maneuver, and carry, an important advantage for urban commuters. Powering the ride is a 750-watt peak rear hub motor that delivers 60 Nm of torque, providing smooth acceleration and reliable assistance across various riding conditions. What truly enhances its riding experience is the torque sensor system, which intuitively adjusts motor output based on the rider's pedaling effort, resulting in a natural and efficient feel. The bike is equipped with a 352.8 Wh Samsung lithium-ion battery that offers an impressive range of up to 75 miles per charge when used in eco mode, making it suitable for longer city commutes without frequent recharging. In addition to performance, the Urtopia Carbon Classic ST emphasizes safety and practicality, featuring disc brakes for dependable stopping power, puncture-resistant tires for durability, integrated lights for visibility, and an LCD display for real-time ride information. Altogether, this e-bike delivers a balanced combination of technology, comfort, and reliability, making it an appealing option for riders seeking a high-quality, lightweight, and efficient electric bicycle tailored for everyday urban use.